To access your campus account, go to my.csudh.edu. On the home page, enter your username and new password, then click Sign In and select Applicant. Don't forget, Duo multi-factor authentication is required to log in. Check out the link in the description for more details. Welcome to the my.csudh portal, your main dashboard for admissions, registration, financial aid, and more. On the right side of the page, you'll see your to-do list. This is where you'll find any tasks or holds that need your attention. If there's a hold or an item on your to-do list, make sure to complete it as soon as possible. Your portal reflects the most up-to-date admissions information, and new items may be added to your to-do list at any time. We recommend checking your account at least once a week for updates. For technical support, contact the IT help desk at 310-243-2500. Then select option 1. Stay on top of your tasks, and welcome to CSUDH.